Hello everyone, excuse any of the noise. We've got 16 cleans today, so it's not a massively busy day for us. But as you know, these things can turn into busy days, so we'll see how it turns out. So much for an easy day. We ended up getting an extra clean in, plus solar panels, and on another customer they asked to do an extra job, which was 2 extra windows, conservatory roof and conservatory, ready for the Jubilee. And then obviously it started to rain near the end, so just goes to show in window cleaning, when you think it's going to be an easy day, ends up being a lot harder than what you thought. And sometimes when you think you've got a hard day, it goes alright and better than what you thought. But there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Cheers.